Today we are going to review the Monport GA 60 MOPA Fiber Laser. This is their 60-watt MOPA laser. Did you know that this fiber laser has 100,000 hours lifespan? Built to last with almost no maintenance. This is fantastic. Monport recommends not to run it at 100% power to maintain that life cycle. That's the beautiful thing about the MOPA laser, is if you use the right settings, you can get many different colors, as I'll show you. This is my first completed coin, and this is after I antiqued it with a chemical called brass black, and it really gives it that ancient look. The precision of this laser allows for detailed engraving, giving the patches a professional and durable finish. With this capability, you can expand your product offerings and create unique, high-quality accessories that stand out. I wanted to zoom up in this section because this print is so small and it's totally legible. It's amazing to me how this machine can engrave so tiny. Using this laser has given me the opportunity to explore new projects and materials, which I'm looking forward to experimenting with. If you're considering a fiber laser, the Monport GA 60 MOPA is definitely worth checking out.